All right, so we're going to take a look at a couple of examples of determining whether or not a relation is a function and identifying domain and range. So first we'll do domain and range. That will help us figure out whether or not a relation is a function. So for part A, we'll do that over here. We have, here, let's do this properly. We have our domain is right triangle, we'll abbreviate, acute triangle, square, rectangle, and regular hexagon. And our range one, 0, 4, 4, 0. Now, when we look at it, right triangle only has one output, acute triangle only has one output, square only has one output, rectangle only has one output, and regular hexagon only has one output. So all of our domain, all of the elements of the domain have only one distinct relationship with an element in the range. So this will be a function, right? If we were to draw the arrow diagram, there would only be one arrow leaving every single element of the domain. So part A, all of this is a function. The relationship is a function. If we look at part B, determine whether or not it's a function, we look at this element right here. We'll call this the domain, right? Because that's where the arrows are starting, and this is the range, right? This is our input, this is our output, right? This is where the arrows start, this is where the arrows finish. And we look at 1, it goes to -1 and it goes to +1. We look at 4, it goes to -2, +2. So these inputs have more than one output, so this is not a function, right? We have more than one arrow leaving elements of the domain. So B is not a function.